wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden...
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. Today I thought I would walk y'all through the entire house. I'm not going to go upstairs, but I am going to do the entire downstairs. You may see boxes and you may see some things here and there, but just please understand that I am trying really hard to get all my stuff put up. But I thought we'd start at the front door and go all the way through the downstairs area. So y'all grab a cup of coffee and I hope y'all enjoy. So we're just about ready, and hopefully, you know, we'll get some bites on our house pretty soon. I've tried to follow everyone's advice and I appreciate that so much. But I will say one thing that I could not do. My bar stools still have the C on the back, but they are so hideous, I can't even get them cleaned. I had planned on just getting rid of them when we move from here, so they need the covers, otherwise they look horrid. So let's get started. So this is going to be a shock to you guys. So say hello to Bear. But here is the shock. I'm gonna turn around and look at this, guys. We took down the chicken nesting box and I moved the table in here. I've got my tackle boxes underneath because it is a lake home and I want people to feel that lake feel. But isn't that pretty? I do have some items on the floor that I still need to get up. I did take my table apart. So I took my table apart that was right here, and I'll try to pop up a picture of that table. And I put that table, I took it apart. I have plans for the wood in the new house. When we do sell, I couldn't put up my red truck. I had to leave it up. And let me pan around. This dining room looks so bare to me. And I know it doesn't. I know a lot of people's styles are different than ours. Because even my husband said, gosh, Nicole, maybe you need to leave some stuff out. It looks so bare. But it does make our floors shine even more. And I've had numerous people ask us about our floors. So, yeah. But it's just not my style. And Bear wants some attention, so I'm gonna pan around. And like I said, I left my bar stools with the C's on it because underneath that, the girl that I bought them from, I bought them off of Facebook. And she said, Nicole, I tried to get them cleaned. I couldn't get them cleaned. I said, I'm gonna make covers for them anyway. And if I had a thought that I was gonna sell the house, I wouldn't have put the C's on the back. But I just have no other choice. They have to stay on there. And I'm gonna pan around. This couch right here is actually 2 recliners, and we normally keep that center console down. But I thought, and y'all tell me what you think, I thought if I left it open, you could see that we have, Bear, please get down. We have 2 couches in here, and then that church pew. So it's really big. And I'm gonna pan over here so y'all can see I moved everything. I've put up all my pumpkins down below. Now I did leave some, you know, pumpkins here and there just so we could still have the feel of fall. Like I said the other day about your decor, when I come home, that gives me comfort. So I think I'm just gonna keep some. I took everything out of this cabinet and closed it. And I've got a little bit of decor up there. So it just makes me feel good to have a little bit out. I'd love to have much more, but I'm trying to be courteous of the people that are buying. Let's head this way. So we're gonna go this way down our hallway. So I'm gonna kind of let y'all see. This is the front door when you come in, and there's all that junk that I need to get up. I took down our coal right here. Let me see if I can back up. Oh, yeah. All right, so I took the coal down right here, and then I had a pitcher here. I took it down. So I'm trying to do as y'all advised me to. So I'm getting there. But let's walk into this room. I've not changed much in this room. I have packed up some things. I did hang my cotton wreaths back up, and I left this kind of as is because there's nothing else I can do. And like I said, I'm not putting my furniture in storage. You know, I've done that before, and the spider webs, oh my gosh, it's like you have to disinfect everything when you get it back. So I just didn't want to do that. So I'm just going to pan around. There's my Christmas, my Christmas closet. And y'all, I haven't even touched that thing. So let's go into the bathroom. And this room looks so big. So I took that green cabinet that was right here, I took it out, and I think it makes the bathroom look so much bigger. You know, I had a little stool down there, so I'm trying to think big and airy. So I hope I achieved that in here. I really think I did, taking that cabinet out. You know, we love it for decor, but, you know, I know everybody doesn't like just my taste. So, and I do have a little bowl with all kinds of fishing gear up there and just some driftwood. I thought that was, and I have Gant Lake map. So I'm trying to encourage the lake life, but still keep my church items out and just a little bit of fall decor in here. So I think it's really cute. Really, really cute. So let's walk on down the hall. So as y'all remember, I had all of our babies on this wall, and I took all that off. So all that's packed up. So all of our pictures are packed up. Now here's where another big transformation. So right here is where I had the cabinet that's in the entry foyer. And I took it out and I put that green cabinet in here. And y'all, I think the green cabinet looks really good in here. It holds a lot of the little knick-knack items and keeps it from kind of being all over the room. I do have my barn in here because I have nowhere to put it right now to store it. So, and then of course the bed that I love. And so I think it makes the room, y'all tell me what you think. I think it makes the room feel bigger, and I love it. I love it. So let's go back in the living room area. Tried not to make y'all drunk turning y'all around in that little hallway. But so this room to me is a lot more bare and open than it was. Bear's got his little animal down there. Can't get without that thing. I've put it up 3 times today. Good gracious. So, but let's walk into the dining room. I took all those plates and place settings out. Y'all had mentioned that, so I did that. I did kind of delete some of my plates in here. There's another chair that I had to store, you know, and put it in a different spot because I'm not going to store my furniture. I took the buckets down over on that corner, and you know, I took those black and white buffalo plaid chairs. Let me see if I can pan around, and I put them over there. And I think that's really cute. It's so different looking, and honestly, that's more of a traditional look than it is a farmhouse look. I'm trying to kind of give that hint of, you know, not everything has to be farmhouse, which is very hard for me. So I'm going to pan around into the living room again, and then over to the kitchen. Now I may have some things out in the kitchen. We're fixing to cook supper because my husband is hungry, and it's Saturday afternoon. So, but I did, and like, you know, I don't even have the light on over here. Y'all look at everything, how bare it is. So let me pan around again. Whew, I didn't mean to go so fast. But I did listen to someone, and I took, you know, I had 2 things on, one on either side, and I took one off. But I did leave our napkins up there. And then we have to have our Alabama stuff up. So, yep, we have to have our Alabama stuff out. I've got my candle going to get me the fall spirit. So it's really bare in here. But I'm going to spin around again so y'all can see. I'm going to stop packing, guys. It's just too much on me to try to work a 40-hour week, take videos with you guys, and try to pack. I think it's tolling on this old body. So let's go into the pantry area. So the pantry, and I kind of gave y'all a sneak peek of it this morning, but I cleaned all of that out. I took, I had buffalo plaid curtains on this side and on the very end, and I took that out. Now, when people come to see the house, I do take Bear's food up because I don't want people to see that. And y'all can see on this little shelf here, I took a bunch of things off of that. So I have to leave it some of my character. I can't take everything away. I just can't. This feels like me. I did kind of try to straighten up our food up top, and we are trying to eat out of our pantry so we won't have to pack up a bunch of food. I left my pumpkin in the scales, and then over here I've deleted a lot of items, and so I don't know if y'all have ever noticed that we have a beverage fridge in here, a regular refrigerator in here, and then a refrigerator in the kitchen, and all of that we're going to sell with the house. So, but I love this pantry. The house that we are looking at does have a pantry in it. She doesn't have the butcher block countertops, but I can see all the different things that I can do with it. And I'm kind of glad that she doesn't have it completely finished. So I'm just praying that the house will sell soon and we won't miss up on that opportunity, because I cannot wait to share that with you all. So in the breakfast room, you can see I have boxed up a lot of things over there on the cabinet. I have put all that stuff up on the table because someone mentioned that that was just too much, that the table runner was a gracious plenty. So I did that. I did leave my ladder. Y'all love that so much, and I do too, so I left it. And let's walk on into the sunroom. So in here, I have kind of taken things down and boxed things up. So, but on this side, I took it to just this one piece with the little pumpkin in the middle and the buffalo plaid. I think it's really sweet. And then I depleted a lot in my shelves, and I still have a lot to pack, y'all, but I'm way closer than I was. Look out at the lake. It's gorgeous today. I've been inside all day. My back's kind of twinging a little bit because I know I'm just tired, but I think it looks really good, and I know it could probably be a lot more uncluttered or not as much stuff. But this is my personality, and I'm just not going to box it all up. This is my one thing that I enjoy so much, and I just can't do it. So we're just going to enjoy the time we have left here with the decor that I have, and just be thankful for everything we have. So let's just go on over to the master. Before I go to the master, I want to get y'all a bird's eye view of the lake. Oh, it's so pretty. I wish I was out there. I wanted to give y'all another view of this. See how simple it is? I did move my little silo that was on the entry table in here with my little barn scene. And I know it's not all down, but y'all, it's so pretty. And I'm leaving it just like it is. So in this room, I did take some items off of the buffet table. That was my great aunt's. I took some items off of it. I took some items off of our nightstands. Not a lot. The bed's pretty much the same. The mirrors, you can see I did take down our picture from our vacation. And then I moved this hutch over to that side to kind of break up this wall. And y'all, it's so funny. When Alan, my husband, came home, he said, "You need something on the other side of the mantle." Oh my gosh, Nicole, it looks so bare. So it's funny that he loves all the decor too. So it makes me feel good because I was so worried that I was cluttering up the house, but he loves it just as much as I do. So y'all, look at the hearth. I have nothing on the hearth except for the little antique shovel. Hey, Bear again. You got to be center of attention, don't you, buddy? So once again, this heater is not a working heater. It's strictly for decor, but I love it. I took almost all the fall decor off of it. Just got me a little bit of decor on this corner. Nothing over here. Took all of our pictures down up there in the hallway. You know, there was a piece hanging here. So I've gotten a lot of stuff done. Let's go in the bathroom. I've not done a lot in the bathroom because I had already kind of really took everything off of our countertops in here. But what I wanted to show y'all, I'm so proud of myself. So I'm going to take you through the laundry room because the laundry room goes to our closet and it's kind of filthy right now, so don't take a good look at it. Someone had mentioned to me about color blocking our closet, and I just can't do that. We've just got too many colors. We love color. So I know my husband may have a lot of blue, and I could probably put most of the blue together, but I'm not worried about it. That's not it's not for me. But y'all, I have gotten rid of so many of my clothes. We did kind of deplete some of our shoes, like take some of our shoes off and box them up. And but I want y'all to see. You see all those hangers right there? That's how much clothes I got rid of. So that's about all my clothes for work right there. That's it. I think I did pretty good for a young lady. Hence the young, huh? And that's all my dresses. So, yeah, that's a lot of hangers. I don't know if I've ever showed y'all. This is a ladder, and I think I did when I did my closet redo. That is a ladder that we've got my husband's ties on. But we're going to think about something else when we move to the new house. And y'all, the new house, the closet is almost this size. We're so excited. Oh, I pray this works out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. We went all through the downstairs area. I didn't go upstairs. Y'all have to understand, it's football season, and my husband is watching some football. Not Alabama just yet. That comes on at 7 o'clock tonight. And so I hope y'all enjoyed today. Once again, I always do. I love sharing with y'all. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would greatly appreciate it. We've got a lot of things planned for the new house. I can't wait to show y'all. I hope, all this works out so I can share with you all the things. I kind of gave y'all some tidbits tonight. So let's get this house sold. If you have any more ideas that I need to do, just drop them below. But just understand, I'm not going to pack anything else up. I've really wore myself out trying to pack up, work 40 hours a week, and share with y'all on YouTube. So I think Nicole is going to step back a little bit, and let's just see, what God does for us on the sale of this house. I appreciate y'all so much, and thank you. Have a nice